I've got my pumpkin shirt on today, so you know we're making something with pumpkin in it. We are making a pumpkin dump cake. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack 3 eggs. The second thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. That should have been the first, but oh well, today it's going to be the second. Okay, we're just going to whisk these eggs around. I hope everyone is doing good today. I'm in a really good mood. I slept all night. Oh my goodness. How many out there, you know that if you sleep all night, oh my gosh, you feel 25 again, okay? Okay, now we're going to put in 1 can 15-ounce pumpkin, not pumpkin puree, just plain pumpkin. Oh, that smells so good. That's the taste of fall. We need 12 ounces of evaporated milk, or 1 can of evaporated milk. We're going to need a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're going to need a half a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I just had a little bit left, so I went ahead and emptied this jar. So a half a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And we're just going to kind of mix it up. And 1 cup of sugar. Quick and easy this is. Okay, so we're going to make sure that it is well incorporated. Okay, now we're going to spray a 9 by 13 inch pan. Now we're going to just pour it right in. Isn't that fast? So we need 1 cup of butter. So we're just going to put this right in here and heat it up in the microwave for like, till it's melted. I don't know, 30, maybe a minute. Have any ever just drew a blank? I'm right in the middle of knowing what I needed to do and I drew a blank. We need 1 box of spice cake mix. You can use yellow cake mix, whatever. I wouldn't prefer chocolate, but I guess you could, but I would do like a spice or a yellow. This is my first time making this. Somebody told me about it. I can't remember who it was. I got to think about it. I went away on a business trip and somebody was telling me about it. We were talking about food. That's all we ever talk about. Because, you know, I work for a food vendor, and we went to a food show. And anyway, somebody was talking about the pumpkin dump cake. So we're making a pumpkin dump cake. I got to get on the bandwagon, you know. Ooh, so I was right. So it was 1 minute. Now we're just going to pour the butter right over the top. Going to make sure we get it on that cake mix. Now we don't want to mix this, it's just going on top. Okay, I have probably about a half a cup of pecans. That's all I've got. So I'm just going to chop them up and sprinkle them on top. This looks really good. It smells good. This is the quickest cake ever. I just got in a pumpkin mood today, and I said, okay. Well, the sun is shining, and when it's cloudy around here, I kind of get a little bit depressed. Not really depressed, just kind of like maybe lazy. Maybe lazy is a better word. But that sun was shining today, and I'm telling you what, I got into a cooking mood real quick. Something fun and festive. I cleaned out my closet last night and I saw my pumpkin shirt. And I go, ooh, I'm making a pumpkin dump cake tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear my pumpkin shirt. So my oven is preheated. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Okay guys, you know, I ran out of my pumpkin pie spice a while ago. I emptied out the jar. And we're going to make some. I'm going to fill this jar back up. I'm going to try to fill this jar back up and make my own pumpkin pie spice instead of going to the store and spending $3 and something, maybe $4. I don't know, but we're going to make our own. Okay, so we need 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. I got an idea. I'm gonna make my own little funnel. Okay, so I made my own little funnel. So how many teaspoons was that? I can't remember. We'll just pour it back and start over. Oh, that was too much work to remember all that. Okay. So we need 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Oh, that smells so good. Perfect. Okay, we need 2 teaspoons of ginger. Oh, that smells good too. And then we just save our money, but we already have our little pumpkin pie spice ready to go. Okay, we need 3/4 teaspoon of cloves. Put that right in. So we need nutmeg. Oh, nutmeg is my favorite. We need 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, now we need 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom. Put it right in. And 1/8 teaspoon of allspice. Okay. Ooh, it all went in and it filled the jar half full. So if I did this again, it would fill my whole jar up. So I just wanted to see how much was actually in here. That's pumpkin pie spice. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I go to the store and buy it when I have everything right here and I save my money and I use up my spices. Sometimes, you know, our spices can just, you know, go bad because we don't use them. But during the holiday season, we always need pumpkin pie spice. So today, we made our own and I filled up my little jar and now I'm ready to go. Okay, the timer just went off. We're gonna see how this pumpkin dump cake looks and tastes. Wow, that looks gorgeous. Guys, that smells wonderful. Whenever I make something for the first time, I just get so excited. At first, I can't wait to taste it, and then I get excited if it turns out right. Okay, we're going to cut this, and we're not going to skimp. Oh, wow. Now we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream. It's fall, y'all. Wow. We got to try this. Oh my goodness. My first pumpkin dump cake. It won't be my last. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so quick, so easy. I want to say thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for coming into my kitchen with me, for giving me so many encouraging comments, for watching my videos. You guys are seriously the best audience on YouTube. Love you guys. Thank you. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.